ARAI stock analysis and ARAI stock prediction. In this 4-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space that's done 40,000 videos and actually has proof of everything. I'm telling you this because I've actually also done it. You know, it's taken me 5 years, but I've been in the trenches. It's taken me 5 years. I was open-minded to hopefully take it further up, and that meant, you know, because we started pumping, I was like, yeah, it will definitely make sense to get involved as long as there is a confirmation. And guess what? There is not a confirmation. So what I'm going to do is get rid of this. That's my top of the range. Yeah, 17% is just very harsh. In this case, it's only buy if there's a shift above here, but and those are levels like at $10, right? But we're not that far away from it. Definitely could be a thing, but just keeping an eye, not randomly getting involved whatsoever. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description to get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.